guys, so today this is part number 2 of cleaning our cabins and it is the final video. So first of all, I want to say thank you so much for the love and the support for the first video. Thank you for always watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. So we're gonna do the cleaning today, so just stick around and keep watching. Hey guys, so here we are. So first and foremost, what I normally do is to remove everything from the cabin, and it is not like I will remove everything from all the cabins. No, I'll just remove one part, the one that I will clean, and then later go to the next. So as you can see, I've just removed all the downer part. Yes, and I have two rags to clean the cabin. One is to dry, and then the other one is to clean. And I also have water. The water that I have there, it has like detergent, yes, and it also have bleaching detergent, which is Clorox, if I yes. So after cleaning and drying, I will put new newspapers, and then I will go back again and return everything that I removed before. So guys, that is what you are seeing what I'm doing. And today guys, the weather is really hot. It is really hot. When I say it is hot, you can only imagine, and in a few you will see the way I'll be sweating. So guys, just keep around and keep watching.
March without stopping in the midnight cry.
So guys, we have to talk, guys. Let us chit chat. And first of all, before we chit chat, I want you to see, like, you see, I'm using a ladder. Okay, I'm using a ladder to climb and then clean the cabins to give me easy time, like not going up and down or strain to clean the upper part. So, which this ladder is stable. First of all, before you start cleaning, you remember the floor has tiles, and it is easy for this ladder to slide, and I can fall. So you should be like, be very careful. You should be the protector of yourself. You should check everything, because right now, if you fall or yes, something bad happens to you, it will be it will be upon you. Nobody will care, nobody will understand your pains. It's only you that you should take care of yourself. So this ladder, I can assure you, it is stable, and yes, I love it. It is stable, like it is strong, and that is what you should be care of, like to take care of yourself. So another thing, when you are cleaning the cabins, what maybe you know or you don't know, I don't know if you guys know it, but let me share with you my secret. Me when cleaning the cabins, when I remove everything from the cabin, and I do rearrange, like I don't put them the way they were before. I normally interchange. I normally interchange things, and I know this one will normally help those people that are working where there are bosses like madam, when madams are there, and maybe they normally know a specific thing. When they come, they want something, they know the specific place where to find it. They will just come straight away and go and take it. But let me tell you a secret, like if you want your madam to know that you normally clean those cabinets, it's good for you sometimes when you are cleaning. Like right now, you see I'm cleaning. After finishing and rearranging, I don't put them in order the way they were before. No, don't put them in order. You interchange. If the cups were this side, now interchange and put them the other side. If the plates were somehow, just try to interchange everything. And when your madam will come, because they normally come and check the cabins or check something, let them come and see, let them have that time of searching of that thing. Or maybe they will come and ask you, where is so and so, where is this and this, and then you will tell them it is there. So they will be like, see, it's normally here. Then you will just tell them, yes, it is always been there, but I clean the cabins. Yes. And then be like, yeah, it is true, because yes. So that, guys, that is what I normally do. Yes. And this one, I used to do this when I used to have my madam around. So that is what I normally do. And I never had some misunderstanding. So guys, I told you, like, it is very hot. As you can see my face, the way I'm sweating. Guys, I'm really sweating. So always try to dehydrate yourself. As you can see, I have a water in a big bottle, right? So I normally keep myself dehydrated, like drinking a lot of water. Guys, just see the way I'm sweating. See at my back. see, just see at my back on top on my shoulder there, you will see like there's some water. Yes, that is sweat. It is not water. I'm sweating. So that is how you can only imagine the way the weather is hot. And also, I'm using a lot of energy of what I'm doing. Yes, guys, I'm using a lot of energy, like doing that, removing things, cleaning, I'm using a lot of energy, and that is why I am sweating. Yes. So like I was telling you a story, like that is what I used to do when I used to have madams. Yes, I never have any complaint from my madam, like, these cupboards have not been clean or blah blah. No, I used to do everything. Like when it comes to time to clean the cabins, I used to interchange things, to interchange. So sometimes they will come and call me and ask me, I kept the bottle of maybe, so I kept a bottle of something here, and but I can't see it. I will just tell them, yeah, because yesterday I was cleaning the cabins, and maybe it is just inside there. Let me go and check it for you, or maybe it is here or there. So this one kept like that good relationship I with madam, because she knew like this person is doing her job diligently. So that is the secret. And another thing, when you are doing your job, always love it, love it, love it. What has just happened, guys? Did you see that? That is what, I normally go through. Like you can feel like crying, like now I'm up on the ladder, and then I'm using this rag to clean the cabin, and then it felt on the floor. So you can only imagine, you want to come down again and pick it, and again continue with the job. So sometimes it's just so disappointing, but what will you do? Yes, so I was like, now what is this? What a mess now. But I came down and picked it, and then I continue with the work. Yeah, so that's it. So guys, I was telling you guys that you always like love your job. Yeah, no matter how difficult it is, remember this is the job that is paying you your salary. This is the job that you came here to do. Just do it with your all heart, with love. And another thing, when you are doing this job, like especially when you are removing things in the cabin, don't overthink. Don't overthink so much. When you are doing this job and when you are removing cap from the cabin, just concentrate in that time, on that time. Like, yes, I'm removing the caps from the cabin. Don't overthink like, should I remove others and leave others? No, just concentrate. Just maintain that part, like you are removing everything from the cabin, and again you are going to take them back. Yes. So guys, that is what I normally do, and it always works for me, and I know it will work for you as well. I'm this person, when I'm doing my job, I always do it 100%. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, that is the end of our video today. As you can see, I'm still sweating. Like, yes, it is not that easy job. And another thing, the weather is still hot this side, so that is why you can see I'm really sweating. But in a few hours, I'll go back and take shower. So guys, I really appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video as always, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want another video that you want me to do for you, so that you can see how I normally do it, don't forget to comment in the comment section below. And I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next. Bye.